Mike Lierer from Okeana, Ohio.
What's this truck?
Flying Deuce. It's a 1971 8V92 Detroit silver engine. We got it, probably 10 years ago. We got it on a limb that we were going to be able to try and get started, or he was going to scrap it. So we finally got it in our shop and got it in working on it. Got it running a few years later. Been going to shows and redoing it and tinkering with it ever since.
And what's its history?
It's a racing truck from the Gator Network from 1975 to 1985.
So it was basically a race truck from just about new.
Yep, it was a race truck from new. So they hauled a few loads with it. They would load in Cincinnati and haul to California and strip it down and race out there in California.
It was a matter of just saving it from the scrapper, basically, right?
Yes. So I have connections with one of the drivers. He drove it in some of the races, Tommy Jacobs. He did drive it, and that's who we got it from. So, yeah, he's got a speeding ticket framed going through out west doing 140, 150 mile an hour with it.
I bet the trooper had some fun catching him, honestly.
He caught him at the next fuel station is what he said. So yes, it was a fun ride.
Did it come out of Ohio then?
It did. It was made in Port Union, Ohio at Mel Arnold's garage. Mel Arnold and Doyle Montgomery were right next to each other's shops, and they wanted something fun to do in the 70s, and this is what they built and came up with.
Are you into racing or just trucking, or what made you even think to save it?
Just a mechanic, trying to save it and have fun with it.
Mm-hmm.
So
how fast have you got it up to?
I've had it up to 105.
And how did that feel internally?
It was actually very comfortable. It didn't shake, rattle, or nothing. And
you must be a good mechanic then.
I had to stop because we were coming up on a stop sign, and we were told that we need at least a half mile ahead of us to stop if we get it into fourth gear because it's got an Allison automatic in it. Yeah, it's pretty souped up. They were guessing it had about 1,800 horsepower when they were racing it. I do not have them injectors in it now. We're back to probably around 600 to 800 horse is what we're guessing. So
still a little bit.
Yes. Yep. And it's still the Allison automatic in it. So we haven't done nothing to it. Pulled it out of the weeds after 30 years, changed the oils, and put new injectors in it is all we did.
Cool.
And we had to find turbos.
Thank you.
No problem.
He lives up the street from me, and his dad's farm up there. He comes down past my house, you can hear him coming as soon as he leaves the driveway. I can hear him how far away he was. Yeah. Like Detroit. Yeah. All of a sudden I hear him well, one and then he comes roaring through it like, whoa. Yep. Yeah, he comes down past the house. I had the grandkids out there, says, hey, there's a truck coming. Where? I said, just listen, Gary. I said, you go flying by him in a race truck. And then that's a thrill. Like that. Race truck. That's awesome. And he was set up to be outside.